Welcome to Emmelac online tutorial. Now let us look at this question under binary operation. And it reads that the binary operation now given by this sign is defined on the set of real numbers R by A, then operation B, then equals A squared plus B squared minus AB. And we are going to find the value of what? 3, operation what? 2. Okay, now take note that the two elements, okay, when being operated according to this sign, gives us this what? Equation. So what we just need to do is to plug in 3 and 2 for the respective value of the element AB. So we have here 3, then 2. This will give us, wherever we see A, we replace it with 3. So here we have 3 raised to 2, then plus, then 2 here, which is B. Now that is 2 raised to 2, then minus, then 3. We have AB, so 3 times 2. So here we have, this is 9 plus 4, because 3 squared is 9, 2 squared is 4. Then minus 3 times 2, that will give us what? 6. This will give us 13, because 9 plus 4 is 13. Now take away 6. Now 13 take away 6, that should give us what? 7. So our final answer. Please don't fail to like, to share, and to subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and remain blessed. Bye bye.